Hi! In front of me is REALME C11 and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock on this smartphone. Firstly, open settings and scroll down. Now you need to select security, click on screen lock and pick one of the login methods, swipe pattern, PIN or password. Click on the chosen one, I will go with pattern, enter it, choose next at the bottom right corner and repeat it. Then click on confirm. Over here you need to select how do you want the lock screen to display by tapping on one of the options. I don't want any notifications, so I will go with don't show notifications at all and just done. Now when I go back, turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!